LMDE 7 versus Debian 13, which one should you choose? Choosing between LMDE 7 and Debian 13 is essentially choosing between a polished and user-friendly Debian derivative and the original Debian project itself. And it is a comparison that tells you a lot about what kind of Linux user you are. Both distributions share the same Debian stable foundation, the same commitment to reliability, and the same philosophy of putting stability above all else. The difference lies in how much setup and configuration you're willing to do yourself versus how much you want done for you out of the box. This comparison breaks down how each distribution approaches the user experience so you can make the right choice for your setup. LMDE 7 is Linux Mint Debian Edition 7, a distribution developed by the Linux Mint team that takes the polished and user-friendly Mint experience and builds it directly on Debian stable rather than Ubuntu. It ships with the Cinnamon desktop environment, the full suite of Linux Mint applications, multimedia codecs, a refined update manager, and everything a user needs to be productive immediately after installation without any additional configuration. LMDE is designed to feel welcoming and familiar, particularly for users coming from Windows or from the standard Ubuntu-based Mint releases, while still delivering the rock-solid stability that Debian is famous for. LMDE 7 is best suited for everyday users, Linux Mint fans, and anyone who wants the stability of Debian delivered through a complete and polished out-of-the-box experience. Debian 13, codenamed Trixie, is the latest release of one of the oldest and most respected Linux distributions in existence, serving as the foundation for hundreds of downstream distributions including Ubuntu, Linux Mint, MX Linux, and many others. It offers unmatched stability and a massive package repository containing tens of thousands of software packages, giving users access to virtually any software they might need through official channels. Debian's installation process has improved significantly over the years but still requires more user decision-making than a beginner-friendly derivative. And the default desktop installation is functional but less polished than what distributions built on top of Debian provide. Its strength lies in its purity, its philosophy of freedom, and its role as the most trusted foundation in the Linux ecosystem. Debian 13 is best suited for experienced Linux users, system administrators, and those who want a pure, minimal, and highly stable base they can build and configure entirely on their own terms. Feature comparison. LMDE 7 and Debian 13 share the same foundation but serve very different users. LMDE 7 is the better choice for users who want Debian stability delivered through a complete, polished, and immediately usable desktop experience. Debian 13 is the better choice for users who want the purest and most minimal Debian experience and are comfortable configuring their system themselves. The right choice depends on how much you want your distribution to do for you before you even open a terminal. Final thoughts. If you want the stability and reliability of Debian without the overhead of setting up and configuring everything yourself, LMDE 7 delivers a complete and welcoming experience that gets you productive from the moment of installation. If you want to work directly with the Debian project in its purest form and build your system exactly the way you want it from a trusted and minimal base, Debian 13 is the definitive choice for users who value control and purity above convenience. Both are outstanding distributions, and the choice comes down entirely to how you prefer to interact with your operating system.